Now, your Local 2 Weather Authority forecast.
Well, good morning. Meteorologist Chase Menendez here. Here's a look at the part of the severe weather event that we saw yesterday, making its way off to the east, now outside of our viewing area for the most part. But we are still seeing one cell down here to the south in parts of Terrell County. That's leading us to a flash flood warning right now. That's going to last until 8:30 a.m., where we could see some flooding conditions. Now, if you're outside of Terrell County, we're still seeing a lot of puddles. We saw a lot of rain yesterday, so please be careful. Do your best to steer clear of those. Now, we're not ruling out the chance for another thunderstorm today because the Storm Prediction Center has us under a marginal risk out to the west. Now, on the scale, that's the lowest that we can rank, but still allows for the chance for potentially an isolated thunderstorm or two to make its way through by this afternoon. Now, with that comes the chance for some hail, some rain, some strong winds as well, but a lot of the energy from yesterday got used up in the atmosphere, so probably not going to be as severe as what we saw yesterday. Now, for tomorrow, still another marginal risk, transitioning just a little bit to the east for parts of our viewing area as well. Parts of the northern Trans-Pecos, the northern basin, the central basin as well, seeing that marginal risk for tomorrow. Same story. Could be an isolated thunderstorm or two, dropping off some hail, some strong winds, also lots of rain, but not as much as we saw yesterday. We saw almost 1.25 inches in Odessa, Midland, Hobbs, over 2 inches of rain, and a lot of that rain is going to be lingering on today, sticking around because the sun hasn't come up to start to evaporate those puddles. So as you head out the door this morning, definitely try to steer clear of those puddles because, again, you don't know how deep they are. So it's a good idea to avoid them. But that rain also cooling us off a good bit. We're down 5 degrees over what we saw yesterday for Wink, for Pecos, for Odessa, Midland, for Big Spring as well. That's dropping us off, making us pretty cool this morning, but temperatures are still high enough to hold on to a good bit of moisture. 59 degrees right now in Odessa, Midland, 58 in Wink, 56 in Guadalupe Pass. Now, they're usually a good bit cooler than we are, usually seeing dew points a little bit lower, but right now getting close to the 50s for El Paso. 55 for Odessa, Midland. To compare, on the coast, only 70 degrees in Corpus Christi, so not a huge difference. We still have lots and lots of moisture, plenty of fuel for some thunderstorms to make their way through the basin later on today. We've still got that high pressure, still funneling lots of moisture into the basin from the Gulf of Mexico. So as we get on through the day today, we have a good chance for some isolated thunderstorms out to the west, some showers off to the north, but once that clears out today into tomorrow morning, we'll see those clouds return tomorrow morning. And then again, another chance for some isolated showers or maybe a thunderstorm or two for Friday because we're still under that marginal risk according to the Storm Prediction Center. I have about 30% chance for rain here in Odessa, Midland, 20% for tomorrow, and then we'll dry out for Saturday, but Sunday, those rain chances return. About a 40% chance there for another thunderstorm or two.
All right.
Yeah.
Well,
we need the rain, so that's good. Hopefully, we'll try and keep the severe potential down. I'll do what I can. I'll get on the horn with old Mother Nature and be like, listen, calm down. We had enough.
Chase, that didn't seem to work last time.
Yeah, no, I'm not very persuasive, I think.
Okay.
She's a tough negotiator.
Is she?
Oh, yeah.